Do your vocal training every day.
The weirdest singing lessons I've ever heard in my life.
The Dog Creek.
You sounded pretty good.
The sobbing. The third one, the puppy.
Ponder the meaning of life and get depressed. Don't forget to take care of finances.
Hey, let's go shopping.
Yeah!
I can't believe this, man. I did not move here to be a communist. I moved here to be a human being of the human race. This is bullshit. Semen? What is semen? Seriously. Seriously. Why don't you just call the shop Splooge? I'm not supporting that pornography. Stretch. Stretch. Fine, I will stretch. Stretch. What is this, the red light district? Disgusting. Cafe Charisma? These guys don't look very charismatic. I don't think putting Jew in the name of your shop is really smart, considering German's history. No wonder it's closed. I don't hear any jazz. Oh, so I'm a schmuck. Arschloch. No, you're the douchebag. Sonder Angabote? Cabote? A? What are you doing, making fun of Canadians? A? Fuck that racist. Now here's a shot for me.
Time to be realistic. Those flimsy dreams don't stick. That roller rink won't fit inside your tiny basement. I know it seems that I'm trying to